Welcome to Green Farm, where chickens live in a natural, safe, and happy environment. Today, we'll follow an amazing journey, from tiny chicks to fully grown hens, providing fresh, nutritious eggs for everyone. Before welcoming our new family members, we ensure the co-op is perfectly prepared. Dry, clean bales of straw, delivered by a modern tractor, serve as cozy beds for our future flock. Each bale weighs approximately 250 kilograms, and we need around 20 bales for 20,000 chicks in one season. The straw is fluffed and spread evenly throughout the co-op using a modern blower, ensuring each chick has the most comfortable space. Look at that, our co-op is ready. The most anticipated moment has arrived. Thousands of adorable chicks, fluffy and yellow, are carefully transported from the hatchery to our farm. Each chick is full of life. They're gently released onto the soft straw bedding. The co-op temperature is maintained at 34.5 degrees Celsius, ensuring the warmth they need during their first few days. During their first few weeks, we dedicate our full attention to caring for our young flock. A balanced diet, clean water, and carefully controlled temperatures are key to their healthy development. Look how they're growing up day by day, so cute. They're getting more and more agile and lively every day. Preventing disease is paramount. Today, we're using a Salmonella vaccine, a safe and effective vaccine to protect the health of our flock in the best possible way. Each action is performed gently and carefully to avoid harming the chicks. Time flies, and those tiny chicks have grown into healthy, mature hens. You can see the variety of breeds here. White hens, brown hens, and majestic roosters. Automated feeding and watering systems ensure that the flock always has enough food and water. The feed is carefully selected to meet the nutritional needs of each stage of development. Cleaning the co-op is a crucial part of the process. Regular cleaning maintains a clean living environment, prevents disease, and ensures egg quality. We use a pressure washer to thoroughly clean the entire co-op, from the floor to the equipment. This helps eliminate bacteria and creates a safe living environment for our hens. With dedicated care, our hens are always healthy and produce high-quality eggs. These fresh, nutritious eggs are a wonderful gift we offer to consumers. Thank you for watching our video. Visit our farm to experience and discover more exciting things.